What would actually happen if Earth had rings like Saturn? First, those rings couldn't be made of ice. They would melt instantly from the sun's heat. Instead, they'd be made of rock and dust, forming a massive glowing arc around our planet. If you lived near the equator, you'd see a thin, bright line stretching across the sky. But the farther north or south you went, the rings would look huge, almost like a giant illuminated bridge hanging over the world. It would be beautiful, but it would come with problems. The ISS couldn't safely orbit through a field of flying rocks, so it would have to travel above or below the rings just to avoid being destroyed. Telescopes on the ground would struggle too, because the rings would block large portions of the night sky, making some stars almost impossible to observe. And then there are the shadows. Earth's rings would cast dark bands across the planet every day. Regions under those shadows would get less sunlight, making farming harder and pushing global temperatures down. Forests and plants would produce less oxygen, and entire ecosystems could change.